Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Hyaluronic, and today I'm gonna show you how to recreate this like everyday makeup look. So if you want to learn how to do it, please keep on watching. Okay, I always start my makeup with the brows. Right now I'm using the Urban Decay brow blade in the color Cool Cookie. I love this pencil more than because of the formula, it's because of the color, because this one doesn't have that reddish undertone that a lot of brow products have, so I'm loving it. And for my everyday makeup look, I don't do much to my brows. I just fill them out a little bit and to give them kind of shape, but I don't do much. Now that the eyebrows are done, I'm gonna move to the primer. For primer, I use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion. I love this primer because it gives that really poreless complexion that I love, but it's not that slippery like a lot of silicone based primers. So in my opinion, every foundation that you put on top is gonna look amazing. Now for foundation, on my everyday makeup look, I like to use a BB cream. Right now I'm obsessed with this one. It's from Missha. I have to be honest, first when I bought this one, I bought it because the packaging was really cute, but the first time I used it I was like shocked because it have like amazing coverage, lasts all day, and doesn't feel like heavy or greasy on your skin. So the only downside of this BB cream is that the brand doesn't have a lot of shades, but besides that, I think it's an amazing product. Now for concealer, lately I'm using a lot the Colourpop Pretty Fresh, this one, the color Fair 10 Neutral. I think it's a really good formula. It's not drying, it's not heavy, so it's like perfect for your like everyday. Now that everything is in place, I'm gonna to set up everything with my Bye Bye Pores translucent powder from IT Cosmetics. This is like my ultimate favorite. So I'm gonna use it like in the under eye area and like all over my face in general. I'm gonna go with like a little bit of contouring to give like a little bit of warmth to the face. So I'm gonna use the Essence Contour palette. This is like a really good palette. It's really affordable. I think it's like $3 or $4, and it really does the job. It's really nice. It's really good, and the tone of the bronzer of the contour shade is really like cool tone. For blush, I'm gonna use one from Tarte. It doesn't have the name anymore, but it's like a really peachy kind of pink color. Really interesting. It's really like really neutral, so that's why I like it for like every day. Now I always like to go in again with the brush that I used to with my setting powder, to make sure that everything is blended out, that we don't have any harsh lines or any patches or anything. Okay, for my eyes, we're gonna use the Natasha Denona palette, the bronze palette, and we're gonna do something really simple because I'm assuming in the mornings or when you're getting ready to go out you don't have much time. So I'm gonna go with something really simple. I'm gonna grab the color Sundown and apply it like and I'm gonna apply this color all over my lid, kind of without getting to the brow, just like some shape. Now to give a little bit more dimension, I'm gonna use the color Magma, the same palette, and I'm gonna place that color in the outer V of the eye. And I'm gonna drag that color to the middle part of the lid. Now for a little bit of a sparkle, a little bit of light, I'm gonna use the color True Bronze and I'm gonna apply it like in the inner part of the lid. And drag it and put it kind of everywhere. First color that we use as a kind of transition color, Sundown, I'm gonna put that on my bottom lashes. I don't do eyeliner every day, so what I do is that I grab like a brown pencil and I just put it like in the outer part of my eyes, and then I drag it with my finger to create that kind of wing that is not a wing, it's just like a shadow of a wing, and just drag it with your finger. That's it. For mascara, I'm using the Hourglass Unlock mascara. It's kind of new, but I love it because it's like a 2B mascara, so it's not gonna smudge during the day and you're not gonna end with like dark patches under your eyes. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with one of the classics. I always go back to the same highlighter no matter how many highlighters in the markets we have right now, but this one is like the best. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. It's just amazing. Use the same highlighter to give some light to my inner corners. And just to complete this look, we're missing the lips, I don't do much, honestly. I just throw a lip gloss and that's it. Today I'm gonna use the Ulta one. I think it was from the Harry Potter collection. It's a really nice, just simple lip gloss. And that's it for this look. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas or recommendations for future looks, please leave your comment in the section down below. See you next time.